Yeah, you need to plug this inside there, the blue key. It's for the telematics, isn't it? So once you plug this in, it synchronizes the bus to me, so it knows that I'm driving the bus. Then it assesses my driving, my speed, my braking, all of that. So then, if I'm doing anything bit wild, they'll know in it. If an accident occurs, they know what I'm doing at that point in time. But it's beeping like that because it's not been put inside. Because I'm parked up in Oldgate Station. When the bus turns off, it does that. So let it annoy you, let it go beep.